Let me show you how to gather personal trousers pattern, which you can order in my Instagram sewing nomad according to your measurements. When you print your personal pattern, choose File, Print, Real Size, and after check Ctrl Square. It should have written size inside. If you use inches instead of centimeters, write me this in order. I will make all your pattern in inches. Here I have 10 on 10 centimeters square and I printed my pattern correct. Now cut off all the edges of the sheets. Lay out the sheets as in the picture that I sent to all customers. Each will have an individual one. After, use a tape to connect all the sheets. Now cut out all parts of the pattern along the dashed line. Cut out the folds and dart. We will draw them on the fabric.